Hi children, by this video we are concluding the topic cell organelles. Before that we will be discussing two more cell organelles, one is plastids and another one is vacuoles. So first let's see about plastids. Plastids, it's a double membraned organelle which has its own DNA and ribosomes. Okay, plastids are the cell organelles which have their own DNA and ribosomes. And the main thing is plastids exist only in plant cell. In animal cell, plastids are absent. Plastids are double membrane structure and they possess DNA and ribosomes. It occurs only in plant cells. Okay, in animal cell, plastids are absent. Now we can see the types of plastids. Okay, there are three types of plastids. One is leucoplast, then second one is chromoplast, and third one is chloroplast. Okay, there are three types of plastids. First one is leucoplast, second one is chromoplast, and third one is chloroplast. Firstly, we can see about chloroplast. Okay, chloroplast, they are the green colored plastids which contain a pigment known as chlorophyll. Okay, so chloroplasts are the green colored plastids and which have a particular pigment molecule. It is known as chlorophyll. So chlorophyll containing plastids are known as chloroplast. Chlorophyll containing plastids are known as chloroplast. And you know that photosynthesis, the process of photosynthesis, chloroplast is helping for, that means the pigment chlorophyll is helping for the process of photosynthesis. Okay, so that is the function of chloroplast. Then second one, chromoplast. Okay, chromoplast is the colorful plastids. Colorful plastids are known as chromoplast. And the last one is leucoplast. Leucoplasts are the colorless plastids. The colorless plastids are known as leucoplasts. So the main function of leucoplast is storage. Storage of food is the main function of leucoplasts. They are storing starch, proteins and fats. Okay, so there are three types of plastids. Chloroplast, it is helping for photosynthesis and that pigment is chlorophyll, and chromoplast, that is the colorful plastids, and leucoplast, which is helping for the storage of proteins, starch and fats. So this is the diagram. You can see here a plant cell, you can see here, and in this plant cell so many cell organelles we can see here, and chloroplast, this is chloroplast, two chloroplasts you can see in this picture. So I told you the main function of chloroplast is it is helping for photosynthesis because the chloroplast containing a pigment known as chlorophyll which is helping for the process of photosynthesis. Okay, so this is the diagram of chloroplast. You can draw this diagram into your notebook. You can copy this to your notebook. See, this is a double membranous structure. So I told you plastids are double membranous structure and chloroplasts contain the pigment known as chlorophyll, and along with that lipids will be there, carbohydrates will be there, minerals, DNA, RNA, grana, thylakoids and stroma. All these are the structures present inside a chloroplast. See, these coin-like structures are known as thylakoids, and these thylakoids are placed one above the other and it forms grana. Okay, grana is the plural word and granum is the singular word. Okay, so this is the structure of chloroplast. This is also a three-dimensional view of chloroplast. Now let's see the functions of chloroplast. There are mainly four functions. First one is it is helping for conducting photosynthesis in plants. It is helping for photosynthesis. And second function is protein synthesis. It is helping for protein synthesis because you know that ribosomes helping for protein synthesis, and this chloroplast contain a small amount of ribosomes, so it helping for protein synthesis. Then third function is it is helping for releasing of oxygen. Then last function is it is helping for storage of starch material. So these are the functions of chloroplast. It is helping for photosynthesis, protein synthesis, releasing of oxygen and storage of starch. Now let's see the last cell organelles, that is vacuoles. In this diagram you can see this is vacuole, this blue color is indicating vacuole. It is somewhat a large cell organelle. So vacuoles are storage sacs for solid or liquid contents. Okay, the main function of vacuoles are storage. Okay, and they are small sized in animal cell. This is a plant cell, so the vacuole is somewhat larger in plant cell. Plant cells have very large vacuoles. Now let's see the functions of vacuole. I told you it occupies almost 50 to 90% of the cell. That's why it giving rigidity to the plant cell. Okay, rigidity to the plant cell and giving turgidity and rigidity to the plant cell. And many important substances are stored in vacuoles, which includes amino acids, sugars, various organic acids and some proteins. So the main function of vacuoles are it giving storage. It is mainly for storage function. Then we can see what is food vacuole. Okay, food vacuole, it is actually seen in unicellular organisms like amoeba. In single-celled organism like amoeba, the food vacuole contains food items that amoeba has consumed. Okay, amoeba is capturing food item with the help of pseudopodia, and it forms a vacuole-like structure. That structure is known as food vacuole. Okay, so that is food vacuole. Food vacuole, it is seen in amoeba.